song written by Gene Whitney. Gene will be joined by his daughter, Allegra Whitney, to sing this calypso-style song, a very different style from what you hear Allegra singing in this video. What happens when you're born to two musicians? Well, naturally, you become an opera singer. Gene and Marsha Whitney have been members at First United Methodist Church in Bartow for many years. They are both musicians. Gene performed several roles in the community theater BPAC when it was active. Allegra is his youngest daughter, and music has been a big part of all of their lives. Gene and Marsha met in the USF band. Gene is a retired scientist. His wife Marsha is a published author. Allegra earned a BA in voice at Florida State University. She sang with Opera Atlanta and the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra Chorus and Chamber Chorus, as well as being a staff soprano at various Atlanta churches, notably First Presbyterian Church of Atlanta. She is currently a staff singer at First Presbyterian Church of Lakeland, and she is a realtor. Sounds and Silences will be held at the First United Methodist Church in Bartow at 310 South Broadway Avenue, just south of downtown. Sounds and Silences will be held Friday, December 13th at noon, and also Saturday, December 14th at noon.